Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how gold is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this. All right, easy on that drop. Watch the dust, keep it moving.
The crushed ore is meticulously blended with water and reagents, beginning the crucial leaching phase to separate the gold.
The crushed ore is fed into massive tanks where reagents and water are added. Automated mixers then churn the mixture.
Look at the extraction percentage. It just hit 92.8.
I see it. Adjusting the flow now to stabilize the balance.
The gold percentage is stable at 95.
Confirmed. We are maintaining optimal chemical balance.
Extraction percentages are rising sharply. We're at 92. Excellent. The chemical balance is stabilizing right on target. Temperature is steady.
Every batch is refined and tested for purity.
Every batch is refined and tested for purity.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how gold is made. Presnate, grown from raw ore to pure gold bars.